Good morning, everybody. Colleen here from the Squirrley Nut. I'm here with Mom today. We are going to be working on getting some product made for the market that we have coming up tomorrow morning. We actually have to go drop some stuff off this afternoon, and we will be at the Grand Bend Color and Craft Festival this weekend. So I'm not sure when I'll post this video. I will probably be done with it by then, but anyway, come along with us and see what we do to get ready. Mom is okay, everyone. You'll see here that I'm delinting my sweater before I heat it up. I'm doing a couple of custom orders before we head to the Grand Bend market to get set up. I promised I would deliver them at the market. And you'll notice that my sweater in this clip is upside down. I find that I can heat press it a little bit better when it's upside down, as the hood doesn't get in the way. You just gotta remember to put your transfer on the proper way. Anyway, watch the rest of the video. Okay, so we're gonna end the video here for now because we need to head to Grand Bend. And now that we're done these, well, Mom's on the last sweater. And we need to set up our booth for tomorrow. We're at the Fall Color and Craft Festival, like I said earlier. And then we will be back to load the car and possibly make some more content or make some more product. Okay, YouTube, look what I am launching very soon. Army green mama sweater with the big green guy. Awesome. Stay tuned for more. Hi guys, Colleen here. I just wanted to, before I forgot, pack up some orders here. I have them almost done, but here's my last order. And this order is from a return customer. This is for Dana. Hi Dana, if you're watching, this is your order. She ordered a self-love cup. This is her second cup order. All right, so that is the cup all done. Now we just have to ship it off. Okay guys, I'm here at the market in Grand Bend and I wanted to pop on and show you guys the booth. It is a very cold and rainy and windy day, but my customers have been very loyal and awesome, and I love you all, and I'm so glad you came out to see me. Despite the rain on this very crappy day, we have done fairly well here at this outdoor market. It is cold and wet, but our rack of our brand new product that we just brought out, the One Day at a Time suit, has sold very well. I thank every one of you guys for your support. And we will have new product coming to the website very soon. This is the booth. It's nice and dry in here. Not saying that it's warm, but it's definitely dry. There's Mom hiding back here texting on her cell phone. Mom, say hi.
Hi.
And okay, this is Kate from Moonstone Body Co. Say hi, Kate.
Hi.
Kate's gonna go on my YouTube channel.
Oh my goodness, I didn't know you had a YouTube channel.
See, even my friend Kate doesn't know I have a YouTube channel, but she has awesome product, guys. You should check out her online shop as well. Okay, so we got our product from Moonstone Body Co. and we're going back to our market. Oh, back to our booth, not our market. Okay, say bye, Kate.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. And then there's the father coming to support his loving daughter.
Wife.
And oh, you're coming to support his loving wife. Not his daughter. Okay, so I did not film a conclusion or the pack up yesterday when we left the market because it actually started downpouring, like raining like crazy, right when we were ready to pack up the tent, and we were trying to throw everything in the car Look, everything's just thrown in the car. We were soaking wet, it was cold, and we just needed to get out of there and get home so that we could be warm. Anyway, it took forever for me to warm up last night. But anyway, so this morning I am filming the conclusion. Despite the rain, you guys are troopers. You guys came out to the market and we had a pretty good market in general. So we made our booth money back plus some, and we handed out a ton of business cards, and we got a bunch of new followers that love the product and want to connect on social media. So thank you to all of you. Without you guys, I wouldn't be the Squirrley Nut. So anyway, I am going to get this car unloaded, and thank you all for watching. Please hit like and subscribe to help me grow my business. Growing my channel will definitely help me grow my business. It will keep you guys up to date with all of the Squirrley Nut news and my events. And if you're trying to build your own business, then follow along and let's do it together. Have a great day, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.